Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create animated lyrics video on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are, and first let's just expand this so that we would have more to work on right here. So we have this clip right here. So this clip is basically from YouTube that I just downloaded for free, so we'll be using this as an example. So what we'll be using is an overlay lyrics from a certain song right here, just like this one, so that we don't have to spend time or animating the lyrics right here, just like this one. All we have to do is just put it in our video and use it as an overlay. And you want to go here into the clip, select your clip, and then click on the screen right here on the blend mode, or you can go for color dodge if you want it to be more bright. But in my case, I'll just use color dodge, I think. Or maybe screen right here. Yeah, screen, this sounds good enough for me. So yeah, this is how you do it. So all you have to do is go to YouTube and find some free overlay lyrics of your desired song, and then you can use it right here in CapCut, just like this one, as long as it has a transparent background, black background, or green background, green screen, blue screen, so whatsoever, and you can use it right here. And as you can see, it's like
If I was you, I'd wanna be me.
and that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.